Is that your lard that you're gonna
No, it's butter.
dish? I'm just joking.
It is butter. I did make bread though.
The vegetarian lard to put on the bread.
Vegetarian lard, yes. It comes from Lily's. Happy
Well,
Lily's.
What was that? I just saw somebody posted on Facebook some article saying that lard is good for you.
I am sure that if you have a small amount of lard and you have it from pastured or
Oh, here we go.
naturally raised
When it had lard before,
it's probably not that bad.
it was, exactly
Here's
that.
that.
Okay, we need napkins.
They're behind
So
it.
here's that room. That's just its test thing. I don't
You
have,
could,
I
you
don't
know,
have
you could.
fingernails here.
I have fingernails,
Not much, you don't.
Yeah, is that
but I
room?
can really scratch.
Oh, that's off.
Yeah, that's what I was supposed to work on.
Gotta put a little Pam down first.
Yeah, careful. Or
Yeah, actually, you want it to stick.
Is that like a Teflon surface or?
No, it's just blue painter's tape.
Oh.
You actually you need it to stick, otherwise you get what I got the other night or last night. But it does stick really well. So,
You don't have an instrument to remove it.
not yet. I just started.
It's only today. So eat.
But I mean, I just wondered if there was an instrument.
Let's see. All right.
There it is.
Whoa.
Hold it up. Yeah,
A
and put the
little-
light through it. Yeah.
Look
Hold
at
it up,
that.
hold it up, hold it up.
Wait,
Well,
you
Daddy's trying to take it. See?
maybe you could make. Maybe you could make the symbol again and make it like in a
This is what I'm
flashlight,
trying
so
to
you
do.
can
I'm
make.
trying to find. Oh, there
So
they
you
are.
can project it on the wall. That'd be cool.
Yeah, so you could put different symbols.
Well,
That
see,
would
I
be
was
cool.
trying to get the light to go through it, and you keep putting it up, and I can't get the light to go through it. Thank you. That's it.
Well, that's going to shine the light right into Daniel's.
Well, put it down. There you go.
May, wait, you see that it's on the
There's the
surface?
three heads, and the 4 feet, and the 1, 2, 3.
So this is for the
legs.
pagan temple, or?
Game of Thrones. The Targaryens.
Okay.
Mother of Dragons.
Okay. Is your
Make sure.
That's the mother of dragons?
Make sure I get a
Well-
photo of it.
Oh, well, don't drop it.
That's plastic. You can throw it across the room and it'll be fine.
Don't count.
Let's not take a chance.